In this short video, we explore object transparency and arrangement order in Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin practice on an artboard with the main toolbar and the control panel deployed. Start by creating a rectangle. To switch the stroke and fill color, pick on the double arrow adjacent to these tools on the main toolbar. Pick and drag out a second rectangle. Pick on the Move tool from the main toolbar next. Select the rectangle if it is not already selected. Go to the Control panel and change the opacity level. To deselect the object, pick on any open area away from other objects. Let's practice again by drawing another rectangle and change the fill and opacity. Let's change the arrangement order of these two objects. Pick on the first rectangle and go to the pull-down menu, Object, Arrange, and Send to Back. Try it again, but this time go to Object, pull-down menu, Arrange, Send to Front. Let's add a third rectangle. Change the color by double-clicking on the Fill color box on the main toolbar. Pick and drag out the rectangle. Go to the Move tool and then to the Object pull-down menu, Arrange, and Send to Back.